Hey guys, welcome back to Scrappy Recipes. Today we are making the creamiest mac and cheese recipe. Hope you guys like it. So for this recipe, I have boiled some water and to this add a generous pinch of salt and about a tablespoon of oil and 1.5 cup of macaroni pasta. Give this a good mix and cook the pasta on medium flame for about 7 to 8 minutes or until the pasta is cooked al dente. After about 8 minutes of cooking, the pasta looks ready, so let's turn off the heat and strain the pasta. Now heat a cooking pot and add 3 tablespoons of butter. Add 2 tablespoons of plain flour. Cook the flour for about 2 minutes on low flame to remove the raw smell and until the color starts to change. Now add 2 cups of room temperature milk, but add the milk in parts to form a smooth sauce. Whisk continuously to avoid lumps. Once we get a beautiful creamy sauce, let's turn up the heat to a medium flame and let it start to boil. Now add a teaspoon of minced garlic. Mix this well and let this come to a boil. Once the sauce has started to thicken, let's turn off the heat but do not stop stirring the sauce. Continue to stir. Now add 1 teaspoon of crushed pepper. And salt to taste. Now add about half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Let's continue to stir the sauce for about 2 to 3 minutes so that the sauce has cooled a little bit. Now add 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese. Again, we are going to add the cheese in parts and going to thoroughly mix the sauce while adding the cheese. This step is crucial to avoid the sauce from splitting. Once you have added the entire cheese, you can turn on the heat to a low flame and then continue to mix until the cheese is fully melted. As you can see, our cheese is fully melted and the sauce is nice, thick and creamy in consistency. And you can see that our cheese sauce is ready. Now let's add the cooked macaroni. Mix well and let this cook on low flame for about a minute. And you can see that our mac and cheese is ready. It's creamy, it's saucy and it's rich in flavor. If you feel that the sauce is a little runny, do not worry, this will thicken once you turn off the heat. So let's quickly transfer this into a bowl. I'm going to garnish the pasta with a little bit of mozzarella cheese and serve immediately.